This is a tutorial on multiplying decimals by whole numbers using two different strategies, the decimal model drawing and the hundredths grid. So I'm going to show you both of the strategies for this. So as I said, we'll be doing a whole number by a decimal. So our 3 is our whole number, our 17 hundredths is our decimal. Now our decimal drawing should look familiar. This is what we do to represent one whole, tenth, and a hundredth. So we are going to draw 17 hundredths 3 times. So we draw the decimal number however many times the whole number tells us to. So 17 hundredths 3 times. So 17 hundredths would be 1/10 and 7 hundredths. Group them in fives. That way when we bundle, it's easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's one 17 hundredth, another 17 hundredth, and a third 17 hundredth because we're timesing it by 3. All right, so now we need to bundle. We start in our hundredths place. Do we have 10 hundredths? Yeah, we do. So I'm going to circle 10 hundredths, cross it out, and turn it into a tenth. Bundling it up, turning it into a tenth. Do I have 10 more? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to bundle up 10 of those. It's going to be kind of an awkward circle here. Make sure you count carefully and don't get more or less than 10. There's another 10. And so we only have 1/100th left right there. So you want to be careful, don't get too sloppy, or else you might miscount or circle the wrong amount. All right, so now we're done bundling because we don't have 10 tenths. So we have 5 tenths. So now we're going to write our answer, our product. So 3 times 17 hundredths equals 5 tenths and 1/100th. So 51 hundredths. Let's try another one, and if you want to pause the video at this point and try it yourself, that would be wonderful. So this time we're going to draw 1 8/10 2 times. So remember, this is our ones, this is how we do our tenths, that's our hundredths. So we're going to draw 1 8/10 2 times. So let's draw it once. 1 and 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put them in groups of 5. Then we draw it again 2 times. 1 and 8/10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and now let the bundling begin. We start with our lowest place value, which is tenths. We don't have any hundredths, so no dots to be drawn. 8/10. Do we have 10 of them? Yeah, we have 10 right here. That's why I like to put them in groups of 5. Cross those out, bundle them into a 1. I can't bundle anymore because I only have 6 tenths now. So now we write our answer. So 2 and 8/10 equals 3 ones and 6 tenths. 3 and 6 tenths is our product. So that's one strategy, is doing the drawing. Our other strategy is using a hundredths grid. So using the hundredths grid, what we want to do is color in 26 hundredths 3 times. Now you don't literally need to color in each square. I like to just put a line through the square. And sometimes I'll use a different color so I can see each of the 3 times. So 26. So here's 10. So you know that they're coming in groups of 10, so you don't need to sit there and count each one individually. We're going to do 26 altogether, 26 hundredths. You could think 2 tenths and 6 hundredths. I'm just going to count out 26. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So there's 1 26. Now I'm going to do my second 26. This gets a little bit trickier because I have to start right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then of course this would be another 10, 24, 25, 26. So you do need to be careful on this one, on your counting. So there's two 2600ths. Now I'm going to do my third one. So here's 8, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so now I've done 3 2600ths. So now I need to count these up. You do not need to count each square individually. You can count by tens until you get to your last one. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's 7 tenths right there. Each row is a tenth. So there's 7 tenths, and how many hundredths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 78 hundredths. So 3 times 26 hundredths, the product is 78 hundredths. All right, let's do another one. Now this one, there's 2 grids because I'm going to need 2 hundredths grids on this one. 1 hundredth grid equals 1 whole. So we're going to do 4 times 43 hundredths. So we're going to draw in 43 hundredths 4 times. So let's do 1, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. And now 7, 17, 27, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. There's 2. There's 4, 14, because there's 10 more, 24, 34, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So we've done 3 now. And the last one, there's 1, and then 10 more, that's 11, 21, 31, 41, 42, 43. Now if you have to count them more individually, that's fine too, but just remember 1 row is 10. So if you can count by tens, that's helpful. So now I've done 4. So now I need to add them up. So we know that this is 1 whole. All right? And then how many tenths do we have over here? So we know that we have a whole. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths. And then how many hundredths do we have left over? We have 2 hundredths left over. So 4 times 43 hundredths, the product is 1 and 72 hundredths. So that is a quick tutorial on 2 different strategies for multiplying decimals by whole numbers using the decimal model drawing and the hundredths grid. So you want to think out of those 2 which one works best for your brain, and that's the one that you can use.